In this video, you'll learn how to publish your Base44 app to the web. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to ensure your app is accessible online. Start by navigating to the Base44 website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the Base44 URL to access the platform. Once on the homepage, you should see options to explore app building features. Next, locate the button labeled "What will you build today?" and click on it. This action will direct you to a new screen where you can begin describing your app idea. Ensure that you have a clear concept in mind, as this will guide your development process. After that, you will find an option to either describe your app idea or choose from existing templates. Click on the appropriate section to proceed. This step is crucial for setting the foundation of your app's functionality. Once the app description screen appears, navigate to the recent app section. Click on this option to view any apps you have previously worked on or created. This allows you to select an existing project for further editing. Choose the specific project you want to publish. After making your selection, the project should load, displaying its current status and any existing configurations. Ensure that your project is ready for publishing before moving forward. Now, click on the prompt option available within the project interface. This will allow you to add functionalities to your app. It is essential to ensure that you include features that enhance user experience and engagement. Type in Add User Authentication in the designated input area. This function is vital for securing your app and managing user access. After entering this information, it's important to check for any errors or prompts that may require attention. After entering the authentication details, click on the Enter button to confirm your input. This action will initiate the process of implementing the changes you've made. Wait for any loading indicators to disappear, confirming that your request has been processed successfully. Now click on Close the notification once the system acknowledges your input. This step ensures that you can proceed without distractions from any pop-up messages. Wait as Base44 generates your request. During this time, the interface may show a progress indicator. This is a normal part of the process, and it is important to remain patient until the operation completes. Next, click on the prompt that allows you to add more functionalities. This option will enable you to enhance your app further, tailoring it to meet user needs effectively. Finally, click on the Publish button to make your app live on the web. This action will prompt the system to finalize your app's configuration and make it accessible to users online. Ensure that you have sufficient storage and internet speed to avoid delays in publishing. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.